Welcome to Radzen Blazor Studio. In this video, we'll explore how to work with colors in Radzen Blazor, how to use built-in color utilities, apply theme-based styles, and customize the look of your components consistently. Let's start with the basics. Radzen provides a wide range of predefined color classes that are part of its theme system. These colors ensure that your components always look great across both light and dark modes and stay consistent with your chosen theme and swatch. You can apply colors using either component properties or CSS utility classes. For example, most components, like Radzen Button, Radzen Badge, have a ButtonStyle or BadgeStyle property. These properties accept values like primary, secondary, info, success, warning, or danger. Each style corresponds to a color from the theme palette. Here's an example. The first button uses the theme's success color, and the second uses the danger color, typically red for destructive actions. These colors automatically adapt to the active theme and swatch, so they'll look balanced whether you're in light mode or dark mode. You can also use text and background color classes for layout and typography. Here, RZ Color Success sets the text to the success theme color with a darker shade, while RZ Background Color Warning applies the warning background tone. The RZ color on warning ensures the text remains readable against a bright background. Want to customize your palette? Open the Appearance panel in Radzen Blazor Studio and choose a different swatch. Each swatch adjusts the base color tokens, like primary, secondary, and accent, and instantly updates every component across your project. This means you can completely restyle your app's mood in seconds. You can also inspect the generated color tokens directly in your site, CSS. Radzen exposes all color variables such as RZ primary, RZ success, and RZ base, so if you're writing custom CSS, you can reference these tokens to stay consistent with your active theme. And that's it! You've learned how to use Radzen's theme colors, apply utility classes, and keep your design visually consistent across light and dark modes.